Namaste children. Welcome to class 5. Today I am going to explain you the first lesson in English, Wonderful Waste. What is this children? Yes, it is a pen stand. Can you guess from what it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of plastic bottles. If we use the waste material creatively, we can get more useful item like this. Now I am going to tell you a story how waste materials turn into wonderful items. Are you ready children? Once there was a king in Travancore. Do you know where is Travancore children? Yes, it is in Kerala. Now Travancore is called as Thiruvananthapuram. It is a capital of Kerala. One day, some guests from different places stayed in King's palace. The king wanted to give a guest a grand dinner. So, the king ordered his cook to prepare delicious and traditional items for dinner. Do you know what is traditional feast means? Yes, traditional feast means variety of food items in a grand meal for special occasions. When do we prepare grand meal, dear students? Yes, during marriages and festivals like Diwali, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, we prepare grand meal. In same way, a king wanted to prepare a grand meal. The cook went to the kitchen and took carrot, onion, tomatoes, beans, chilies, garlic and curry leaves. The cook peeled all the vegetables and he prepared various kinds of dishes and he kept the vegetable scraps aside. The king visited the kitchen to survey the dishes before the dinner. The king asked the cook, "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of the scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste, my majesty. We will throw them away." You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it into the curry. He also poured a few spoonsful of coconut oil. And he decorated the dish with curry leaves. The cook served this new dish to the guest that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala. And Avial is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. In same way, we should reuse the waste materials. We should not waste anything, children. Shall we see the meaning for new words, children? Yes, here it is. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Thank you, children.